Hey class. Okay. Um, for the assignment tonight, we're gonna go over summer vacation. Um, so I'm gonna ask you a few questions. You guys can answer on a piece of notebook paper and then turn them in tomorrow. So, first question over summer vacation is, what did you do over summer vacation? I'm gonna give you a few minutes to write that. Okay. What is your favorite campfire snack? Is it s'mores, hot dogs, roasted marshmallows, or watermelon? Just pick A, B, C, or D. Okay, and what was your favorite thing that you did over summer break? What do you like to do in the summer? Do you like to go swimming, go camping, or just play outside? Again, your choices are A, B, or C. Just write the letter down for which one you like. Okay, and then we're going to watch a video. And as soon as the video is done, we're going to answer this question. So let's find the video.
Sun and Sun. Each year, most students in the U.S. count down the days until the 2 months of fun, sun, and sun burns we call summer vacation. But where does summer vacation come from, and why do we have it in the summer? Let's find out on today's episode of Some people think that in the 1800s, schools started closing for the summer so that kids would have time to work on their family's farm. It sounds like a logical reason, but it's actually not true. In reality, we can thank sweaty city kids for our summer vacation. In the mid-1800s, American cities grew bigger and bigger as more and more people flocked to them. All those people, buildings, and concrete raised the temperature, which made cities unbearably hot. The heat led many wealthy families to escape the city and spend their summers in the cooler countryside. It might be hard to believe today, but school attendance was optional in those days, so many city classrooms would be almost empty in the summer. As school attendance in the summertime began to dwindle, some politicians argued that kids should get the summer off anyway. At the time, most people believed that the brain was a muscle, and if it was used too much, you could injure it like any other muscle. This was not true, but it did help convince people that kids should have time off to relax from the stress of school. By 1900, most urban schools around the country were taking the summer off, and rural schools eventually followed suit. So, this summer, while you're building sandcastles at the beach, you can thank your heroic great-great-great-grandparents for skipping school so much they literally had to give us the whole summer off. And now you know why we have summer vacation. Comment below if you have a question you'd like to know the answer to. And don't...
Okay. So now, why is it important to take a summer vacation from school? Go ahead and write your answer down. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed the questions. I look forward to seeing what your answers were.